Communicating a repair to a client needs to not be something you just shoot from the hip every time. You want to be precise with your words. Steve Martin, in his master class, when he's talking about setting up jokes, going from one joke to the other, he talks about how you need to be precise, because when you're precise with your script, your jokes, there's less dead air. And precision leads to the next moment. Now, I know he's talking about comedy, but it's the same thing in communicating anything, and in sales specifically. Now, I know a lot of you techs don't like to consider yourself in sales, but it's somebody's making a sale every time. Our job, especially when we go out in a maintenance call, is to identify potential issues so that we fix them now, instead of having the client call us at the peak of the season to have us come out to their house and do the repair at a discount, rather than allowing us to go see that brand new customer with an 18-year-old unit. So we want to be able to convince the clients that this is in their best interest to do now. And you guys all know that when do these systems break down? The hottest day of the year. So we got to, if we believe that, we got to be able to communicate that to our clients. So there's a lot of repairs we may come across during a tune-up or a maintenance visit. Before we explain what the repair is, we need to explain to the clients how their system operates. We've got to give them a visual in their head. So when we express the repair, they understand where it affects their system. So we can give this lesson really quickly. And I like using a yellow pad whenever I explain anything to a client. In today's day, I'm recording this during the COVID pandemic. One thing I'd recommend, if you get those whiteboards, just have whiteboard, because if you can take them outside or you're sitting quite a distance from them, if you got a whiteboard, and I'm talking about those hard ones with the dry erase, a dry erase board, you can write and draw and do whatever you need right there, and they'll be able to see from across the room. But I'm going to do my best right here with a whiteboard here in my living room. Sorry I don't have a thicker pen than a Sharpie, but let's see how this works. So we come down from the attic, the closet, garage, wherever you were doing the outside unit, wherever you were. You just got done diagnosing the system. You come in and you've got a repair.